Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create pie chart in pivot table with filter data. So let's start this maxel and here you can see I have data. So here I'm going to first create pivot table. To create pivot table, simply select the data, you just drag with the mouse and select your entire data. And the second way, simply select the inside the cell of this data and you can use here the control A to select the entire data and go to the Insert tab. In Tables group, click on the Pivot Table option, click on the From Table or Range, and here you can see the one dialog box is open, Pivot Table, From Table or Range. First option, select a table or range. The range here automatically selected. Then second option, choose where you want the pivot table to be placed. Here the first option, default selected, new worksheet and click on OK. And here you can see the new worksheet is added with the pivot table fields right hand side with the pivot table analyze tab and design tab. So you can just drag the fields below the area to create the pivot table. So I drag here the date in filters, product in rows and total price in values. And that's it. Here my pivot table is ready. Now I'm going to create pie chart. Simply select the inside the cell of this pivot table. Go to the insert tab. In charts group, click on the pie chart. Select here the 2D pie chart and here you can see your chart is inserted. So here you can see the pie chart is inserted. So now I'm going to filter the pivot table. To filter the pivot table, I'm going to insert the slicer. So simply click on the pivot table and go to the pivot table analysis. In filter group, click on the insert slicer and here select the slicer. So I want the slicer of product. So as per the product, I'm going to filter the data. Okay. So just click on the OK. And here you can see the slicer is inserted with the product list. Simply click on the any product and see here changes. The filters, the pivot table and same as the pie chart also showing as per the filter. Here I'm going to select the multiple product. Press the control key, just hold the control key of the keyboard and select the another product. So I select here the total 4 product and here you can see data is filtered of 4 product and accordingly pie chart also change as per the 4 product. Okay, 4 product. So this is the way you can create the pie chart in pivot table. Okay, with the filter data. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.